here we will discuss first about amazing body facts, then riddles, then theme parks. Okay, so let us start. Children, there are many wonderful and surprising but true facts about the human body. So, you know which are that? Few I will tell you. Your fingernails grow 4 times as fast as your toenails. Babies are born with 300 bones, but adults have 206. Eyelashes last up to 150 days. The heart circulates your body through your body about 1,000 times each day. You know that you make about half a quart of speech each day. The smallest bone in your body is your ear. Okay, and your blood has the same amount of salt in it as the ocean does. Can you imagine? A sneeze blows air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. So this type of amazing facts are there in a human body. Okay, so today we will discuss one more part. Okay, and this body part never grows. You know, it is the body part which never grows. So what is the name of that part? Our eyes. Okay, so let's move towards our next part. This is made up of group of muscles and is always working like the heart. So what is the name of this? This is a tongue. What is this? This is a tongue. This is made up of group of muscles and is also working like the heart. Now next is, this is the only part of human body that cannot heal or repair on its own. Means this part cannot repair on by its own. In our body, many parts are there which if something is happened with that, then it will heal or repair it by its own. But this is the body part which is not able to repair or heal by its own. What is the name of that? This is teeth. Okay, now everybody know without the liver there would be no blood or no life. It regenerates. Our liver has the amazing ability to regenerate itself. Now what is meant by regenerate itself? Means this is the part of our body which regenerate itself. What is meant by regenerate itself? Making liver transplant possible. When people donate half of their liver, the remaining part of the liver regenerates the section that was removed. Is it interesting? Yes? Okay. Now we will move to. Okay. Now let us see about cornea. What is meant by cornea? Cornea is the body part of a human body, means it's a part of a human body that has no blood supply. Means here blood supply will be not there. It gets oxygen directly through the air, and that part is in our eyes. Okay, so like this, beside the cornea को छोड़ के, this is the only tissue in the body that does not receive oxygen from the blood. Means which organ is there again which does not receive oxygen from the blood except cornea? The part is our nails. Okay. Now let us see some interesting facts. Our immune system is able to fight most of the diseases. Yeah. So most of the diseases means dissolve because of our immune system. The fingerprint and thumb print of two persons are never the same. Can you imagine, children? In the world, many people are there, and in between that many people, the fingerprint of a single person cannot match with the another one, and the tongue print also. Okay. Next is from the age of 30, humans gradually begins to shrink in size. Can you imagine that after 30, the humans gradually begins to shrink in size. Okay, but this is the fact. Now let's move towards the next chapter. What is meant by riddles, children? Riddle is a statement, question or phrase having a double meaning, put forth as a puzzle to be solved. So it is the meaning of riddle. Now how it is invented? Riddles have been found in ancient literature and even on walls of archaeological sites as picture puzzles. Solving a riddle requires careful thinking. Means if you want to find the answer of the riddle, then you should be thinking carefully. You have to think carefully, analyze and logically thinking. Means you should know these three: thinking, analysis and logic. Then you can solve the riddle. So, see, we will solve some riddles. What has, question number one, what has a mouth but cannot eat? It moves but has no legs and has a bank but cannot put money in it. Can you guess, children? From the box which I explained, which I told you the previous. What is the answer of this? River. Okay. River has mouth but cannot eat. Okay. It moves but cannot no don't have legs and has a bank but cannot put money in it. I am one every night without light but become two during day. In a night, one, and in a day, two. What is that? Shadow. Okay. What kind of coat can only be put on when wet? Which type of wet? Coat of paint. Okay. What is the full of holes but still holds water? It has the many holes but it can hold large amount of water in that. What is the name of that? Sponge. Okay. Question number 5. What is that everybody does at the same time? At the same time, what everybody do? What everybody do? Grow older. Okay. Means what is the everybody does at the same time? At the same time, everybody what they are doing? They are growing day by day. Means grow older. Question number 6. What is white when it is dirty? When we will do anything at that time, means when it is white, then at that time it is dirty. What is that? Blackboard. Is it? Okay. Next question. Which building has the most stories? Means in the building many type of stories are there. What is the name of that building and what is kept in that building? It is library. Which is the faster, hot or cold? What is the faster thing? Faster is hot. What travels around the world by staying corners? What is travel and which is having the corners in that? What is the name of that which travels around the world? Stamp. Question number 10. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? Means when it is uh, going wetter and again wetter and wet and wet when it more dries. What is that? Towel. Okay. Next chapter is theme parks. What is meant by theme park? it has a theme which is for entertainment. So theme park is a group of entertainment attractions, rides, water parks, food courts, and other events in a location for the enjoyment of a large number of people or with students. Okay, ask them to share their experience. Have you went anywhere such in such park? Okay, with your friends, with your family. Yes. Okay. So see, one of the park is there. Wonderla is one of the largest chain of amusement parks in India. It is owned and operated by Wonderla Holidays Limited, which is headquartered near Whitley. Okay, so here in Wonderla, Holidays currently operates three amusement parks in Kochi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. So in our nearby Hyderabad is there. Okay. Our next theme park is Ocean Park. Okay, and this Ocean Park is in Gazipet Road, Hyderabad. Okay, this is again in Hyderabad. Okay, so commonly known as Ocean Park, as it is a marine mammal park, oceanarium, and animal theme park. This complete park is based on animal theme and amusement park. Next theme park is Fun and Food Village. It is located in Kapashera, New Delhi. Okay, here it is also amusement park like water park also. Okay, the next theme park is Gujarat Science City, located in Habibpur, Ahmedabad. Is a part of Gujarat government's initiatives to draw more students towards education in science. So the center hosts an theatre and an energy park, a hall of science, planet Earth, an amphitheatre, life science park, and dancing musical fountain amongst others. So this is the speciality of this park. Okay. Children, we have discussed these three chapters today. You have to see the quiz time and solve that. Okay? Good day. Have a wonderful day.